everyone. My name is Angie Amar and welcome to my garden. I started laying out this particular garden about over 30 years ago. It all started with a love for nature and it has been a constant challenge ever since. I try to water, fertilize, clean up all the trash or the dead leaves. I used to dedicate a lot of time to my garden, and I have to admit not as much anymore because it's basically I think a little well established, so it can take care of itself. Orchids are my favorite without a doubt, but some bromeliads are just amazing because their blooms can last up to 6-7 months, and they really don't take that much care, so they're all really beautiful. Everything just does well right there. I don't know if it's because of the dappled sunlight from the Ponciana tree above, but it's just my favorite part. Normally I would go to stores and buy plants, or my favorite is to go to people's houses and beg a piece, or you're along the roadside and you pick a piece. And up to this day, you go to somebody's house. My sister says you have to frisk Angie when she leaves your house because she will steal a piece of your plant. It's true.